Handstand, wall facing, nose to wall, head shifts. The wall facing, nose to wall handstand is an exercise that increases shoulder strength endurance and improves handstand alignment. A common mistake people make in the handstand is failing to open the shoulder angle, especially when looking down at the floor. Using a wall, we can train this head position while also maintaining an open shoulder angle. Start by placing your feet on the wall and walking your hands into the wall. You'll want to set your hands to be roughly one hand length away from the wall, and the hands will be shoulder width apart and the index fingers facing forward. Rest the top of your toes on the wall and contract your quads to straighten your legs. Next, set a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT. The aim is to tuck your tailbone between your legs and extend your hips by contracting your glutes. As you move the pelvis into PPT, the lower back will flatten. In a sense, you're lengthening the spine. From here, elevate your shoulders by actively pushing down into the floor. Can you cover your ears with your shoulders? The more elevation you can create, the more shoulder flexion you will have access to. As you elevate the shoulders, you will notice that the shoulder angle will open. The aim is to create 180 degrees of shoulder flexion so that the wrists, elbows and shoulders are stacked in a nice vertical alignment. This is where touching your nose to the wall can help. Bring your head between your arms and softly touch your nose to the wall. Only your nose and your toes will be touching the wall. From here, you're going to move your head and look down at the floor without any other part of the body moving. You must maintain the handstand alignment as you change your head position. You want to imagine a horizontal line on the floor that passes from one thumb to the other. You're going to stack your eyes vertically above this line. Make sure the shoulders do not move away from the wall. Keep the shoulder angle open at 180 degrees of flexion. Also, make sure you do not arch your back. Only the head should move. Keep the shoulders elevated and maintain a tight PPT. After looking at the floor for 5 to 10 seconds, move your nose back to the wall. Again, the body alignment should not change. Perform the total number of head shifts with 5 to 10 second holds in each head position. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.